Do you know that couples who argue about money every single week are far more likely to end up divorced? And that almost half of couples carrying debt say money is their #1 source of conflict. Here's the truth. It doesn't matter if you're planning to get married next year or you've been married for 20 years. Financial unity can either strengthen your marriage or slowly pull it apart. That's why today I want to give you a framework to prepare to win, whether you're just starting or you need a reset. Hey everyone, I'm Andrew Nida here with Asset Management Group. Marriage is one of life's greatest and most significant partnerships. But like any intimate relationship, it only thrives when there is clarity, honesty, and a shared purpose. And that is especially true with money. So here's what we're going to cover: why your financial life feels easy before marriage and why that changes, why transparency is a non-negotiable, the benefits of working together, and finally, the 4 financial meetings, a framework that works whether you're engaged, newly married, or 20 years in. Let's jump in. Why it seems seamless before marriage. Before marriage, life feels simple, and it really is. You handle your own bills. You spend your money how you like. There's no friction. But when 2 lives merge, finances merge too. It doesn't matter how beautiful your spreadsheet might be or how well you are at managing your side of the financial story. In a marriage, there's only one story. Now, I know some of you are thinking, I'm remarried and I refuse to blend finances to anyone else again. So let me be clear. When I say there is one story, I'm referring to a common plan that you both commit to. A plan that allows you and your spouse to thrive regardless of the account structure that is implemented. Look, as we all know, opposites attract. There usually is a difference in spending habits. Maybe one person is a saver and the other is a spender. Maybe your spouse has or had debt that you didn't even know about. When it was separate, it didn't matter, but together, it matters a lot. So if you're not married yet, this is why you prepare. And if you are married already, this is why you pause, look under the hood, and see where friction may already be creeping in. Let's talk about why transparency matters. Transparency means no secrets. It means laying it all out. Your debts, your credit score, your habits, your dreams, everything. Because money isn't just numbers, it's trust. When you hide things, you chip away at that trust. When you're honest, you build it. So here's the reality. Most conflicts come from unmet expectations, hidden reality. One spouse expects to travel. The other wants to aggressively pay down debt. Neither goal is wrong, but if those expectations stay unspoken, frustration builds. If you're not married yet, begin with transparency. If you're already married, get transparent now. It's never too late. Now, why working together is a good thing? Let me explain the upside of you guys working together. Start with taxes. Married couples filing joint, they get a larger standard deduction. That lowers taxable income. More money stays with you. Cash flow, well, you have shared cost, housing insurance, groceries, create efficiencies. That margin can be used to save, invest, or pay off debt faster. And then borrowing power. 2 incomes often qualify for better mortgage terms or loan rates. That's an opportunity you can't tap if you don't align. Employer benefits, maybe one spouse has the better health plan or a stronger retirement match. Pulling your choices means maximizing benefits. And wealth building. Studies show how couples who set goals together build more wealth and report stronger marriages. So whether you're just starting or you've been married for decades, the principle is the same. Working together multiplies opportunities. Let's get practical. I call this the 4 financial meetings. And here's the good news. You can do these whether you're about to get married or you and your spouse have been married for quite some time. Financial meeting number 1, the audit. Everything has to go on the table. Income, debts, assets, credit scores, even subscriptions. You gotta get it all out. Rule number 1, no judgment, no commentary, and by all means, don't criticize or minimize your spouse's past experiences with money. The audit is just about data. Put it on the table, then walk away and let it breathe. Financial meeting number 2, priorities or prioritize. Now come back and organize the data that you guys were vulnerable and honest with. What's most urgent? Emergency fund, paying off debt, saving for retirement. What are the priorities? Agree on the order. Even if it's not perfect, just agree on direction. Remember, momentum and moving forward is the key. Now, financial meeting number 3, cash flow structure. This one creates the most tension. Do we mix everything together? Do we keep separate checking accounts? Do we do the I'll pay these bills and my spouse will pay those? Here's the truth. There's no single right answer. The right structure is the one that works for you as a couple. The goal is to find a win-win that creates peace instead of stress. Financial meeting number 4, you have to build a plan. Now you put it all together. You've got the audit, the priorities, and the structure. Now you draft your plan. You set goals, assign responsibilities, and create a timeline. And if this feels overwhelming, right now is the moment you should be bringing in a mediator. That's what a financial advisor can be. A neutral guide to help you move forward together. Marriage is the most honorable relationship you can have on this side of eternity. We must always be a student of our spouse. Investing a little time in stewarding your relationship will go so far. If you start or restart with honesty and transparency and a shared plan, you'll set yourself up to thrive. So here's your homework. Schedule those 4 financial meetings. Invest in your relationship. Become engaged, whether you're a newly married couple or you're celebrating decades together. Take time to audit, prioritize, build that cash flow plan, and put a plan together. And if you want a guide who will shoot you straight, someone who can step in and help and cut to the chase and get you both on a direction towards success, we'd love to help. At Asset Management Group, our mission is to help couples build financial plan, stability, and a foundation that's going to support their marriage. Because winning together in marriage, well, it starts by planning together today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.